Chapter 5, Tutorial 3. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name c05tut3. Create the base feature sketch by selecting XY plane. Select profile tool. Start drawing the outer profile. Escape twice. Now give the geometric constraints. Select make symmetry. Start dimensioning. (22.5). Edit the dimension to 45. Edit the radius to dimension 5. Similarly, make symmetry the top line and the bottom line to the horizontal axis. Edit the dimension of curve to 2.5 mm. Also edit the dimension to 5 mm. Draw the circle at the arc center to diameter 5 mm. Similarly, fillet to radius 2 mm at these four corners. One, two, three, four. Similarly, edit this dimension to 25 mm. This completes the outer profile for our base feature. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a value of 5 mm. Choose OK. This is our base feature. Hide the sketch. To create the second feature, we have to create a datum plane at an angle of 45 degree. Choose datum plane. Select the vertical face and select the top edge and enter the value 45. You can increase the dimension of the plane. Say OK. Now create a sketch on this new datum plane. Now include the base feature edge. Now start to draw the sketch and remove the unwanted line. Now trim the unwanted circle. To 17 mm. Now finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select the curve. Reverse the direction. Select until next. Select unite in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the datum plane and the sketch. Now create the third feature by selecting the inclined plane of the second feature. Draw a circle to diameter 8. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Select through all. Reverse the direction. Select subtract. Hide the sketch. Tutorial Q2 trimetry. Save the file. Close all parts. This completes chapter 5, tutorial 3.